So, we're going to start here. Shruti, my first question to you is let's talk about your girls, just generally about them.
Okay, I have two, which is a lot. Anyone who's had one child will know that just raising one child is more than enough. And we thought that for a very long time. And it's fine, you know, the older generation tells us that do to hone chahiye. What if the other one, what if the first one gets lonely? And we thought, कि why would she get lonely? अभी पुराने time वाला हिसाब तो रहा नहीं है. There's so much to do, and of course we are nuclear families. तो हमें कभी लगा नहीं कि हमें दूसरा बच्चा चाहिए होगा. But so I always knew, well not knew, I always wanted to adopt. It was one of those things जो आपके दिल में रह जाता है, and then life happens and you forget all about it. But so that's exactly what happened. I wanted to adopt, but
So when you say I'm sorry to interrupt. When you say you wanted to adopt, you wanted to adopt कब हुआ? Like when?
So-
when did this idea come into your head?
I think I was very young. So I am the oldest in my extended family. So I have been around kids all my life. And I thought, so the premise, first of all, the premise of this entire interview is how I live my life and how I've seen other people also live their lives. To me, every child is the same. I will never think that ये मेरा है वो मेरा नहीं है. This concept doesn't enter my mind at all. And
And like ये शुरू से है.
ये
This
शुरू
is-
से था.
This is from the beginning.
yeah, I mean, I will of course say that my parents raised us. We were also two girls, and they raised us in a way that there was no discrimination at all. There was not even talk of stuff like we were also a nuclear family, and there was no talk of कि एक लड़का होता या
कभी
लड़का
भी नहीं.
होता तो कभी
कभी
भी
नहीं.
ये कॉन्सेप्ट ही नहीं था. ये हमें काफी देर में जाके पता चला. in like school when we saw our friends talk like that and we were like यार ये भी कोई कॉन्सेप्ट है कि लड़का होता. College is when we understood कि हमारे cousins को when I saw. So my favorite cousin, she is a girl of course, and she has a brother, and I slowly started to recognize the difference in their upbringing, a girl versus a boy
In the same family.
in the same family, and it's still there, and it pains me to say it and to see it, but this is the reality. और हम लोग I feel we have lived in a bubble, which is wonderful. We should have our own bubbles.
They say ignorance is bliss.
It is
Yeah,
bliss.
Yeah.
It
yeah.
is bliss. So हमें इस तरीके की बात कभी ना घर में हुई ना हमने कभी देखी. तो मेरे हिसाब से ये था कि all kids are the same and probably you know I'll adopt one day. This is something I want to do. कि because when you're young, शादी जैसी चीज़ आपके दिमाग में नहीं आती. At least हमारे दिमाग में तो नहीं थी. Because our parents sort of said कि you know you have to have your own path, go into the world, work, make your own life.
And when you say work here, is it your dad who pushed it? I'm going to keep asking these questions because I'm trying to break
both
a few
my
things.
parents. My
Both the
mother has
parents.
worked all her life, so that's what I saw.
Okay.
So the saris and the makeup that comes from my mother. Every morning I would see her, you know, do her housework, get ready for work, and I thought that yahi hai life. I didn't know too many housewives, which I am today, and I hate that word by the way, but
We all do. We don't like the way it's used, I guess.
exactly.
We don't like the way it's
What does
used.
it mean? So yeah, both my parents were working, and that is what I saw. That is what my normal was.
And isn't that true? I think with all of us, बचपन जो होता है वही reality होती है. Then it breaks and then it shatters.
Yeah.
And then we rebuild our own this thing. And I think that's what then you did when you finally. So basically, you grew up in a bubble of यही है. Then you saw लड़का लड़की. What is this?
हाँ,
But then
मतलब-
you made your own. Again, you brought your own thinking into it that I don't care.
हाँ, I
Children are children. Is that how it went on with you?
Yeah, I mean, in a way, that bubble sort of always remained.
Remained. Okay. It did not get adulterated. You did not get
No.
affected by it.
Like my firstborn was a girl, and it was okay. I mean, but at the time I realized that I don't know how to raise boys. You know, everything is easier when you have a girl. At least that's what so far. Maybe not for my husband so much, but for me it was easier. So when the idea of adoption came, so it was there, and it solidified when Zara was born.
Zara is her older
one.
Is
So
her older child.
this was in 2012, and I remember in the hospital only, we were just sitting there and we were thinking, and the idea of adoption suddenly just came, and we both sort of spoke about it, that this is something that we might want to do in the future. And I thought, okay.
So your husband and you then were on board.
Yeah.
Was that a lucky coincidence or was it something that you planned?
It was a coincidence.
It was a coincidence.
Because up until that time, I don't think till you see your child, the concept of parenthood hits you.
Yeah, that's true.
It's a notion.
Yeah.
Till the time the baby is there and you're like, okay, you're in it.
That we all agree, yeah.
And then the first thing is, oh, if we can do this, we can do the other one, which is so stupid. But that is generally the notion that came to us. And then we spoke about it. But then, of course, life happens and pregnancy is not easy. And then postpartum and all of that is not easy. So life went on. We changed states. So we went to Hyderabad in 2015, where I at least truly realized that I needed a second child. We were alone. My husband was traveling all the time. We were there for about 15-16 months. It's a wonderful city. I have nothing against the city. But it was terrible on us as a family. I just had Zara with me, and she was in school and I was doing my own thing, but it was lonely. And it was lonely for her once she came back from school.
When you say lonely, what do you mean by loneliness? I mean, I'm just assuming that Zara was there. Let's say Rahul wasn't. Rahul was working. But when you say lonely, was it that... again, I'm asking you that was it a stereotype that दो बच्चे नहीं इसलिए lonely हो रहा है या कुछ और loneliness था?
So lonely ये था. So I had Zara when I was 34. That's not an age where I can run around kids, right? So there were things that I could do and there were things I couldn't do with her. And I'm not a very friendly person.
I will disagree there, but that's okay. I know where she's coming from. I'll disagree fully, but yeah, I know what she means.
Yes, it
I
was
think all
a
of
social
us.
problem.
It's an anti-social wala keeda.
हाँ.
All of us.
So for me to go out and make new friends was like, यार कौन करेगा? So to even like socialize with Zara's friends was an ordeal for me, especially because the language issue. वहाँ पे हिंदी ज़्यादा लोग नहीं बोलते हैं. English भी unfortunately they will not want to speak.
They choose
not to speak.
They choose not to.
So that's when I realized that she's lonely because of my issues. And she's a very social child. Like she would have no problem speaking with anyone, going anywhere, whatever. So then we started talking about like करना क्या है. So we were like सबसे पहले तो घर वापस आते हैं, because it was getting too much for me to handle. I was the cook, I was the chauffeur, I was everything for the house there. And I thought कि यार I'm getting old, so I can't do this all the while. Plus I had my own bakery to look at, तो काफी हो जाता था.
When you say घर वापस, you mean coming back to Gurgaon?
Yeah, okay. Because both our families are here.
Okay.
So we came back in 2016, fourth quarter.
And Shruti, here just one more thing that I would like to ask. By this time, Zara was how old?
She was 4+.
Okay, so what we right now know is that she's 4+. You are having a little bit of trouble. Thoda loneliness hai. My question to you is that when you came back, your in-laws and your parents, वो जो pressure आता है, because I've been there. So वो pressure आया, बेटा दूसरा बच्चा तो करना है.
So,
करना पड़ेगा.
करना पड़ेगा
नहीं था.
I'll tell you what. Again, when I say that I'm not very friendly, I mean it in every sphere of life, right? So मुझे ज़्यादा लोग push नहीं करते. They try once and then they know.
Is that a quality that you worked on? I would like to learn. Or is it inherent? Because then मेरा कोई chance नहीं है.
नहीं, I worked on.
You worked on it?
हाँ. I have been a wallflower all my life, and I like it that way. But to kind of like build a wall and say no, that is something I developed. Okay. And you have to.
You have to.
You have to.
Yes.
So वहाँ से pressure नहीं था, but हाँ, we thought के if it's adoption, it's something that we would both like. I had a terrible pregnancy, first of all. I was puking up until the last day. And it takes a toll on your body. Plus, like I said, I wasn't very young, which is fine. It was my choice. I had been working in a job which entailed, I was traveling even more than my husband.
Okay.
Like for 6 months, I won't be here. So, ऐसे में क्या तो आप family raise करोगे? But I knew that whenever I had a child, I would quit working. Because I'd seen my mom work all her life.
Okay.
And I grew up very fast because of that. Like I had a lot of responsibilities growing up, and I did not want my kids to go through that. So that's what the intent was. So 2016 end is when we said, okay, we are doing this, let's apply. Now here I would like to add that I don't know about today, but when we applied, there wasn't much literature on what to expect. First of all, what to expect.
And where do you apply? We'll just quickly go through that.
I will.
Yeah.
So anybody who wants to adopt, first of all, ask yourself a few questions. But as far as the process is concerned, there's cara.in, CARA.in. It's the only safe and legal way to apply. It's an extensive website. Please go through it, read it if you're interested. Even if you're not adopting, please go through and read it. A lot of stories, a lot of ordeals are listed there, and it's good to know. Unfortunately, nobody talks about this, and when we started our process, there was nobody to help us. Like there is no literature, there are no support groups.
Even on the website?
I mean, website, if you see it like a typical government website, it just has words, lots and lots of them.
Okay.
And you really have to sort through
Go through each thing and
Yeah.
make your own understanding out of it. And there were no support groups in terms of.
Yeah, we didn't know anyone who had adopted.
That's something to note.
Like we didn't know anyone who had adopted. Where do you go looking for them? Where?
Nobody in your circle, nobody, dur dur tak.
There was one, but they didn't want to talk about it.
Why is that?
So that's what happens, right? At least in the older generation, that used to happen. किसी का बच्चा नहीं हो रहा है, within the family दे दो, and then zip it.
ये सुना है हम सब ने मैंने भी सुना है मेरे खुद के मतलब much older people, but
We knew that that person was adopted, but nobody would admit to it. तो उनसे क्या तो बात करते हैं?
yeah.
तो
And
again,
plus, obviously, they did not go through Kara, which you are saying.
of course.
Which you kind of.
I
almost-
advocate Kara.
You advocate Kara. Okay. All right.
So this is the support group that we had, basically nothing. So you
And there's
go on
no
the-
representative who comes over to check.
So yeah, once you apply,
Achha, okay.
it tells you like a list of documents to upload, and then wait for the home study report. There are a lot of things you have to go through when you apply. You have to choose states, or you have to choose all India today. So we did all of that, and again we didn't even know what the waiting period was going to look like. ऐसा तो है नहीं कि आपने अप्लाई किया और आपको अगले दिन बच्चा मिल गया.
Obviously.
आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें स्पेसिफाई करनी पड़ती हैं,
Like?
age, gender, like I said, states, gender of the baby, whether you want a boy or girl, or whether you don't care.
Is that an option?
It's an option today.
Today. That time it wasn't.
That time it was so nascent.
So it is just male, female,
and
or matlab there's no third option. Doesn't matter.
the whole process was eye-opening.
Okay.
Eye-opening. So for me, one big thing that was there was I'm a Kashmiri. So थोड़ी सी affinity थी कि अगर हम JNK से बच्चा adopt करें, because it was an option कि आप state choose कर सकते हो. JNK is not an option. Apparently, it's not a part of India. So
That's another debate.
काफी eye-opening चीजें पता चली. So anyway, we applied, and
And
then
what were the states that you chose?
we chose आसपास के, because all we were thinking was कि यार travel करना पड़ेगा,
Okay.
because we knew
Okay.
कि court involved होता
So
है and all that.
you kind of picked like थोड़ा convenient हो.
हाँ,
So
हाँ,
it didn't
हाँ.
matter to you basically.
Okay, like I said, now the premise, please don't forget the premise here was I didn't care what the baby looked like. वो एक option ही नहीं था सोचने का, like वो आता ही नहीं है दिमाग में ना.
और वो आपके दिमाग में नहीं आया या बाद में? I'm just asking कि बाद में when you, I'm sure you know adoptive parents now. Is that something that people keep in their minds that शक्ल ऐसी, कलर ऐसा, रंग ऐसा, नाक नक्श ऐसा? Is that something that people are specific about, especially when they're not being able to have kids? And here's an opportunity where you're getting a child, but is that still a thing that they look at?
It is.
And the gender?
I don't know about gender.
Okay.
I'll tell you why. Because the only support group I now have is this 4,000, 5,000 member group on Facebook
Okay.
that we came to know much later once Zoya was home. And what I see there is that no, gender does not really play a part. Thank God for that.
Thank
because
God.
I think people who adopt are generally like a notch above the general public.
They-
And I'm not saying this because of like nose up in the air or whatever, but that's how they are thinking, right? Have their thinking
yeah.
कि लड़का 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 तो adoption तो नहीं करते वो. That's at least that's what I think. That's what I've seen. And the other thing was age.
Of the child?
Age of the child. हमें लगा कि 0 to 2 years was the first option and we applied because we didn't know any better. We just thought it would be easier for the child and for us to sort of like become
Manage a family
manage.
easier.
हाँ.
Okay. So that is a loophole in the system, or is it?
It's not a loophole in the
system. Meaning
It's-
that वहाँ पे थे option 0 to 2 adult,
हाँ, थे.
teenage. तो
थे,
वो
and it didn't hit us. Which
Do
is
you
now something
care?
I look back now.
हाँ, is that something you want to explore? Like, would you be comfortable exploring why it did not hit you? Just if you're comfortable.
Yeah, I
Zero-
think because हमें ऐसा लगा कि यार शुरू से शुरुआत करेंगे तो आसान होगा शायद.
Makes sense. I mean, I relate with it. If I were you, I would. Yeah.
Right?
I
I'm
don't know.
still into my. I still don't know why we didn't choose an older child. It didn't occur to us.
Okay.
Like a lot of things didn't occur to us.
But both of you were on the same page when you said 0 to 2.
0 to 2 girl is what we wanted because हमें, like I said, I didn't know how to raise a boy.
And you had told your families? You did not tell your families that you're planning to adopt?
So we told
You
no
had-
one. We told absolutely no one.
Okay.
गए साइट पे लॉग इन किया, उसने बोला पेपर्स करने हैं, पेपर्स डालने में ही हफ्ता लग गया बिकॉज वो दैट साइट इज समथिंग एल्स एंड देन वी जस्ट थॉट अब क्या, यू नो वी चोजन द स्टेट्स आसपास की हैं, वी डोंट नो what the waiting time looks like and what are the next steps. The next steps was we do a home study report that somebody is assigned to the family, somebody who has worked in Kara before or who works with Kara or who is an affiliate of Kara. They will come home and they will interview you and they will check the house and see if the documents are correct, if we seem okay, psychos नहीं लग रहे हैं, whatever, I don't know.
What are the parameters on this one? Like, what are they looking?
Documents. Basically the documents that you've submitted, वो ठीक हैं कि नहीं है.
तो वहाँ पर अगर कोई घपला होगा तो उसका कोई गारंटी नहीं है.
अगर घपला होगा तो आपका केस रिजेक्ट हो जाएगा.
And वो है checking का possibility.
हाँ, हाँ.
So there is a proper like system, a vetting system.
Any document that you have submitted
is
is going to be
both.
checked.
That's good.
That's
to
good.
know.
That's good. But documents क्या है? Financials है, ages है, उससे ऊपर क्या है?
Wait, that is what I'm asking. That पैसा and age से how
See,
does that guarantee that a child is coming into a good home is what I'm asking.
तो वो
Yeah.
गुड होम के लिए वो इंटरव्यू होता है थोड़ा टच एंड फील के लिए. बट आई हैव येट टू हियर ऑफ अ केस जहाँ पे HSR रिजेक्ट हो गया बिकॉज टच एंड फील ठीक नहीं था.
HSR is the
Home
home
study
study report. Okay. That अच्छा reject नहीं होता. It's almost like आपने मतलब because the system is so skewed, there are so many children that need homes that is why जो आ रहा है दे दो. Is that
ऐसा भी
what
नहीं
it
है,
is?
ऐसा भी नहीं है, ये नहीं बोल सकते कि जो आ रहा है दे दो. बट अगेन लाइक आई हैव नॉट सीन एन HSR being rejected on a ground other than the documentation.
Okay.
I mean, of course, the process can be better. It should be better.
Okay.
But Kara is totally understaffed.
Okay.
So they make do with whatever.
Okay.
See, कोई भी गवर्नमेंट बॉडी से अगर आप डील करोगे तो you know the challenges. और यहाँ पे challenges थोड़े से ज़्यादा मैग्नीफाई हो जाते हैं because it's the life of a child. तो वो थोड़ा है.
And in this process, was there a person assigned to you, and did the person come up with anything कि experience wise that मैम पता है ऐसा होता है वैसा होता है ऐसा कुछ था that
So
you
the
would like to share?
same lady who did our HSR, she used to work with Kara. Then she opened up her own children's home
Okay.
in Faridabad. And once she visited us, we also went there. We saw what the place looked like, and she had a lot of stories to tell us. कि किस तरीके से now the biggest problem is safe surrender, which basically means that they what Kara struggles with is कि अगर कोई unwanted child है, I hate that phrase,
Yeah.
you know,
Yeah, it is.
तो
It's
they are being found in dustbins, ट्रेन की पटरी पे. ये नहीं होना चाहिए. दैट्स व्हाट दे आर बिल्डिंग टुवर्ड्स कि सेफ सरेंडर है. हम आपको कारा की स्पेसेस देते हैं, हम ऑर्फनेज होम्स के आपको एड्रेसेस देते हैं. वहाँ पर nobody is going to even look at you, nobody is going to ask you anything, just surrender the child safe. That's all.
instead of abandoning.
Yes. तो ये this is one of the things that they struggle with a lot today.
So that means that I'm sorry, I'm coming from a place of a layman here. Of course, you've educated me, but what I'm saying is we've grown up watching TV, movies. I know. But you know क्या करें यार, अभी रहते हैं इस दुनिया में, you do get, you know, तो उसमें जो दिखाते हैं कि छोड़ दिया है कहीं पे भी, it is true. It is true. Okay, that needs to change.
Because अगर हम सेफ सरेंडर दिखाएं
तो होगा,
तो शायद
तो होगा. That's where I'm coming from. दिखाओ कि छोड़ दो, nobody. So that means there is a judgment there. There's a judgment involved, which of course it pertains to तुम्हारा बच्चा कैसे हो गया, तुम या you are not used to.
हाँ. And
that's
safe
a
surrender
separate
and nobody's
can
even
of
looking
worms.
at anything.
हाँ, so you nobody's going to
yeah.
ask you any question. You have a child that you don't want, you just go surrender.
And that's it.
Okay, chalo, that's good to know. Okay, any other stories that came?
Lots of stories, but like
You don't want to.
I don't
Whatever you're
want to
comfortable
do it.
with,
Yeah,
that's
because
fine. That's
they're
fine.
painful. They're
Yeah.
they're completely painful.
Okay, so thank you for covering that journey. Thank you, and we'll take a breath here. Okay, and so anyways, I'm going to talk about her daughter. Her name is Zoya. A lot of you actually may have seen her online because a lot of you know Shruti. She's of course she's a blogger and a very famous one at that. And so she's got two daughters. Zoya is the daughter that we are speaking about. She turns 4, and she has an older daughter who's just turned 10 yesterday, day before. I've personally met both of them, तो मेरा तो वैसे ही प्यार है उनकी तरफ, दोनों की तरफ. But Zoya she's a sweetheart. She's a sweetheart, and this is not a bias towards her. वो है आप मिलोगे उससे, Zoya से, तो वो she's a firecracker. Okay, that little girl, वो she's like a fire starter, a firecracker, and like that's when you wonder that bachcha hai, like she said, right? And now we will talk about the IVF and test tube thing next. But let's also now understand what were the challenges, and what personally, and that's where I when I started and I was giving my introduction, I also was a little uneducated on a few things because I asked her ridiculous questions, which she educated me on. But that's because maybe I was okay. So I come from, my son now is 12, but I did have a missed abortion before Ara was born. So maybe for me it was a full stop when Ara was born, right? तो मैंने तो सोचा भी नहीं था. So which means I live with my prejudice. Imagine. So because I didn't want another child, तो मेरे अंदर जो thought process था about children, वो अभी भी है. वो 12 साल का होने वाला है. So that means I've been carrying a particular. That's what we want to break, and I'm going to touch upon that. How she educated me, and I was like, Kanika, seriously, this is how you think. So we'll move on to that. Can we? Okay. So before, let's touch on the lighter subjects. क्या हुआ फिर कितने साल you waited for any kind of an intimation from the website for
Okay, so they give
क्या
you
है status?
they give you numbers. Like आपका Q number है some thousands. So we applied 2016 के end में apply किया था, but there's a lot of back and forth, photos चाहिए होती हैं ये वो करके, and then 2017 the entire year we waited. Numbers move ही नहीं हो रहे because the states that we had chosen were very populous. Delhi, Haryana, Punjab, काफ़ी populous, and थोड़ा सा तो है bias के corruption भी है यहाँ पे काफ़ी. तो इसलिए
Corruption in what sense?
Corruption in this sense that every child that is registered in Kara and is in a children's home is given 2,000 rupees per month for their food and care, which is ridiculous, first of all.
The child is given
In
by
the
whom?
sense that if I have an orphanage and I have 10 kids, Kara will pay me 20,000 rupees per month for the upkeep of those 10 children.
10 बच्चों की आपकी 20,000 में कैसे होने वाली?
Exactly my point. वो भी है. तो उस चक्कर में क्या होता है? Sometimes some homes are reluctant to give the child away because वो पैसा कम हो जाएगा.
Oh dear. Okay.
तो करप्शन को अगर आप ढूंढने के लिए जाओगे तो वो हर लेवल पे मिलेगा. और
You are saying मैंने अगर खुद I have let's say 5 kids, somebody is paying me 2k, so I have 10k coming in per month. आप मेरे पास आते हो that Kanika, I want to adopt one of your children. I'll be like no. Is that what you're saying कि नहीं मेरे पैसे कम हो जाएंगे?
हाँ, in a lay percent. हाँ. तो ये बहुत होता है.
Yeah, that's a tough one. That's, I mean, I understand that person's perspective. वो poor है, वो
बहुत कुछ है.
पर्सपेक्टिव समझ आ रहा है, गलत है पर पर्सपेक्टिव समझ आ रहा है कि क्यों.
तो ये होता है करप्शन इन चिल्ड्रन होम्स इज एक एग्जांपल ये था. तो ये सब होता है. तो हमारा नंबर मूव नहीं किया एंटायर 2017 एंड देन 2018 के मिड में जाके वी वर लाइक कि नंबर्स बिल्कुल मूव नहीं हो रहे. व्हाट डू वी वांट टू डू? सो
And उस time पे what was going on in your head? Were you, and I'm going to ask a little thoda sa bluntly, and please forgive me in advance, but did your patience run out and तब आया कि छोड़ो यार अभी ये नहीं करना या नहीं चाहिए बच्चा यार या छोड़ अभी नहीं चाहिए? Did that cross your mind? That let it be यार, it's too strenuous, this thing is too.
समटाइम्स
It did?
बिकॉज वी वर लाइक कि क्या हो रहा है पता ही नहीं चल रहा. नंबर्स
Okay.
नहीं मूव कर रहे. नोबडी कैन हेल्प अस. कारो को क्या फोन करके क्या मेल क्या पूछोगे? दे इज गोइंग टू टेल यू कि आपका नंबर ये है, यू हैव टू वेट.
Can be frustrating, right?
वेरी फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग, वेरी फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग. तो वी वर लाइक कि यार क्या मतलब क्या हो क्या रहा है, होगा नहीं होगा, कितना टाइम वेट करना पड़ेगा.
That must have been tough.
इट वाज फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग.
Okay.
आई मीन ऐसा नहीं कि हम बैठ के बस वेट ही कर रहे थे, बट फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग था कि समझ नहीं आ रहा कि क्या करें. बिकॉज अगेन whether we wanted to change states at that time would mean a whole new round of documentation. So
Correct.
we couldn't even change states. फिर हमें हर अडॉप्टेड पेरेंट को थोड़ा सा ये डर लगता है कि अगर नंबर आ गया हम व्हाट इफ वी आर नॉट इन टाउन, व्हाट विल हैपन देन. ये वाली एंजाइटी भी रहती है.
हाँ.
एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स यू नो अनसर्टेनिटी की पता ही नहीं चल रहा कि क्या हो रहा है.
And did your older daughter know about this, that you
हाँ.
had applied?
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
She
So this is something that I will say, and anybody who, in fact, everybody should talk to their kids about adoption. So what we said to her was, families are made in different ways: birth, marriage, and adoption.
That is so sweet.
Just simple. ये उसको सिखाया 4 साल की उम्र से कैसा होता है. तो उसको लगा यार क्या पता नहीं क्या बोल रहे हैं, पर हम बोलते रहे तो उसको लगता है ये नॉर्मल है.
वो उसका स्टार हो गया ना, जो आपकी रियलिटी थी बचपन की, आप उसकी रियलिटी क्रिएट कर रहे हो, एंड थैंक यू फॉर दैट. No, can we just give a round of applause here, please? She's creating the same reality that she had, that there is no this thing between ladka ladki. She's doing it like intently with her children, with her child. That ऐसे ही होता है. अब बड़े होके आपका टूटेगा, तब तक इतना मैंने स्ट्रॉन्ग कर दिया होगा, नहीं टूटेगा बॉस. आप ऐसे ही जियोगे. एंड स्पेशली, आई एम सॉरी बीइंग अ लिटिल बायस्ड, स्पेशली विद गर्ल्स. वहाँ मेरा बायस है. यहाँ पे ज़्यादा लड़कियाँ हैं, सॉरी हाँ बॉयज. बायस है, लड़कियों को और भी सिखाना है हमने. हाँ सॉरी यार, आई लव यू. गो ऑन.
तो उसके दिमाग में यही था. एंड देन वंस द HSR हैपेंड, शी वाज लाइक, शी थॉट के जो भी आ रहा है घर में वो शायद बच्चा साथ लेके आ रहा है. तो उसने पकड़ लिया कि वेयर इज माई सिस्टर. सो शी वाज लाइक कौन सी सिस्टर. तो हमें इसको थोड़ा समझाना पड़ा, अभी नहीं आ रही है, अभी वो तुम्हें देखने आ रही है, ज़्यादा बोलोगी तो तुम्हारा केस रिजेक्ट हो जाएगा. Anyway, तो काफ़ी उसको कंट्रोल करना पड़ा कि ये ऐसे क्वेश्चन मत पूछा करो. तो ड्यूरिंग दिस एंटायर टाइम शी वुड कीप आस्किंग कि कब. तो वी वर लाइक कि होगा. देन वी टुक हर टू दैट चिल्ड्रंस होम. सो शी थॉट कि यहीं से होगा. तो उसने एक बच्चा वहाँ पकड़ लिया कि मुझे तो यही चाहिए. फिर उसने कहा ऐसा नहीं होता, तुम नहीं चूज कर सकती, कोई ना कोई और चूज करेगा, तुम नहीं करोगे. तो हम वहाँ काफ़ी जाते थे. सो वी यूज्ड टू मीट दोस किड्स अ लॉट.
दिस इज इन गुड़गांव,
फरीदाबाद.
फरीदाबाद.
So it was very nice to see that the woman who is running that made sure that her children got good homes. So every time we would go there, the same kids were not there, which was so amazing to see.
Yeah, nice.
So she is very very like, she is like a fighter. वो तो मतलब कर देती है एकदम किसी के भी सामने. शी इज नॉट स्केयर्ड ऑफ कारा. वो कारा ऑफिशियल्स के पास भी लड़ने घुस जाती है. मतलब ऐसी.
We need more people like
Oh yeah. तो उसके बाद 2018 के मिड में हमें लगा कि यार क्या करें. माय हस्बैंड हैड एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू मूव एंड वी थॉट कि अब फिर से नहीं कर सकते ये नई जगह जाके, अगेन विल बी बैक इन द सेम क्यू. सो ही सेड कि यार मैं स्टेट्स चेंज करके देखता हूँ.
Okay.
कर दो, मुझे तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
But you just said ना, स्टेज चेंज होते हैं तो फिर से कुछ स्टार्ट होता है नहीं. You can just simply change the states.
उस टाइम तो यही था कि स्टेट चेंज करो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा आपकी सीनियरिटी में.
अच्छा.
अगर वो स्टेट में नंबर कम जा रहा है तो आपका हो सकता है जल्दी आ जाए.
अच्छा.
अच्छा, ये हमें कुछ नहीं पता. अगेन लाइक आई सेड, हमारे पास कोई नॉलेज नहीं थी. हम बस गए और हमने स्टेट चेंज कर दी. आई डिडंट इवन नो उसने क्या स्टेट चेंज करी है. अगेन द प्रेमिस, आई डिडंट केयर कि बच्चा कहाँ से आ रहा है.
Yeah.
तो
So you didn't ask, ये ले कर दो. मतलब obviously you asked out of curiosity, but not कि कौन सा state.
नहीं, आई डिडंट केयर. ही सेड कि मैं नॉर्थ ईस्ट की ट्राई करता हूँ. ओके कर दो. अगेन हमें ये भी नहीं पता था कि जो अब हो रहा है, एंड आई हैव सीन अ फ्यू केसेस सो आई कैन टॉक अबाउट इट, दैट इफ यू अप्लाई फॉर अ नॉर्थ ईस्ट स्टेट यू स्टिल कैन अप्लाई, बट द कमिटी देयर कैन एक्चुअली रिजेक्ट योर केस.
Why is that?
Because instances have happened where North Indian people and some South Indian people also have sent the child back because that child doesn't look like them.
That's not pretty.
Which is like, यार मुश्किल से तो तुम्हारे को चांस मिलता है.
नहीं, when you say back, is that photo देख के कि
नहीं,
photo?
कभी कभी ले लिया है,
घर पे ले आए?
नहीं ले आए, घर पे कर लिया है, and then they said कि नहीं होना.
Oh, that's not nice. That's not nice. Okay. Okay.
So हाँ तो बस कर दिया. We just thought, तो देखते हैं क्या होता है. वेटिंग गेम ही तो चल रहा है ना, nothing like it. And 2 months later we got the call.
You got a call in 2 months?
In 2 months. Come and pick her. Okay, come and pick her. So the photograph comes and a text comes कि ये आपका आ गया है and you have 3 days to accept or reject this case.
That is crazy.
That is crazy because again आपको पता ही कुछ नहीं है and we didn't know कि क्या करना है.
Yeah.
Accept करना
Were
है.
you prepared? And were you prepared for the baby?
Absolutely not. Zara was 6 years old, and the child, the photograph and the text that we got was this child was just turning 3 months. And we thought, hey, infant, फिर से ये तो सोचा ही नहीं था.
तब लगा था 0 से 2
हाँ,
यार.
कि कितना आसान होगा ना, हो सकता है 2 का मिल जाए. नहीं, ये तो literally 0.
3 months, huh?
3 months.
What were you feeling that time?
Panic.
Panic, huh?
Panic.
And
The
were
panic.
you like, was there excitement?
Oh yeah. Mad excitement, like mad excitement, but a lot of panic कि कैसे होगा. Then it hit us कि हमने तो अपना ही support group नहीं बनाया अभी तक, हमने तो बताया ही नहीं है किसी को. और and the child is arriving.
And you had to go where? All the way to?
Mizoram.
अच्छा.
So मेरा
Within 3 days.
नहीं 3 days नहीं, you have to accept.
हाँ.
And then they were like अब आ जाओ. Okay.
Then what about छुट्टीज and stuff?
लेनी पड़ी. तो उस time there was like chaos. First of all we were holidaying. It was my 40th birthday when I got the text message.
Oh.
And I thought कि यार wow, what
Wow.
an age to get an infant. तो we ran back home और then we were like कि यार करें क्या, ज़ारा को कहीं छोड़ना पड़ेगा. And then you know we'll have to do all of this stuff and कॉट खरीदना पड़ेगा, पैड लेनी पड़ेगी, कपड़े नहीं है, डायपर हो गए. So you know you get all the complete panic. And then डरते डरते अपने घर वालों को बताया कि ऐसा हो गया है, हम जा रहे हैं, ये पकड़ो बच्चा, अभी दूसरा लेके आएंगे.
Seriously? 2 days before? मम्मी आप फिर से नानी बनने वाले हैं और आप दादी.
तो
Was it that?
हाँ, literally it was that. So they went in disbelief कि पता नहीं क्या बोल रहे. कि ये मतलब another one of their-
Seriously?
हाँ.
They didn't believe it.
They didn't
They were
believe
like ऐसे कुछ भी ऐसे maybe they're going for the second honeymoon.
my
They're going for the second
father-in-law,
honeymoon.
नहीं, my
झूठ बोल के
my
honeymoon
father-in-law thought we were sponsoring a child.
हाँ that okay.
So he
That's
was
an
like, अच्छा
honest.
मिलने जा रहे हो, नहीं, लाने जा रहे हैं. So he was like, पता नहीं क्या बोल रहे हैं, चलो
होगा
बोलो
कुछ, हाँ,
हाँ
ठीक
होगा
है.
कुछ. तो खैर हमने बच्चा पकड़ाया and we sat in the plane for.
Did you tell Zara
Of course, Zara.
that your sister's coming?
हाँ हाँ.
She was excited.
She was excited, but उसको था ये इतना टाइम से बोल रहे हैं यार, पता नहीं कैसे. तो काफी chaos था घर पे. But and then we went and we were in the flight for 8 hours. The flight couldn't land in Aizol because Aizol is a very very small city with a tiny airport. वहाँ पे weather की problems थी, तो हम घर वापस आ गए. And then we were like, अभी 1 हफ्ता और है जब हमें डांट पड़ेगी और हमें explanations देनी पड़ेगी.
All that happened.
तो हमने ना we just stopped. Like we stopped talking to anyone.
But Zara को तो लाने गए होगे.
हाँ.
तो उसी टाइम पे इंटरेक्शन हुआ.
नहीं तो आई डेंट हो ना, आई सेंड
हाँ,
हस्बैंड. उससे
पति ही
दामाद
हो.
से कोई क्या पूछेगा ना. तो उसको ले आए वापस, अपना स्कूल प्रॉपर कर लिया, स्टार्ट ये वो. देन आई टोल्ड 2 of my friends कि ऐसा ऐसा है. सो अगेन फ्रेंड्स को बताना आसान होता है बिकॉज दे डोंट जज.
I think we all agree there. All of us sitting
हाँ.
here because we choose our friends.
एग्जैक्टली. एंड फैमिली में अभी हमें ये नहीं पता था कि जजमेंट आएगी कि नहीं आएगी. डिसबिलीफ तो आ गया है, तो उनसे अभी बात नहीं करेंगे. बच्चा ले आएंगे, किसी के पास टाइम ही नहीं होगा करने का, तब देखेंगे. तो फिर अगेन वी वेंट. फाइनली वी मेट हर, गॉट हर बैक. बट जान निकली हुई थी, मतलब बुरी तरह. इन्फेंट. माई बेसिक पैनिक वॉज कि यार इतना छोटा बच्चा ऑल ओवर अगेन, सोचा नहीं था हमने बट ठीक है, इट्स ओके, वी मैनेज, कर लिया, पहले भी कर लिया था, देयर वाज नो हेल्प पहले भी, इस बार भी कर लेंगे, हो जाएगा.
What were you most worried about with your infant? Was it that will I be able to take care of her, or was it like will she be comfortable? Like
नहीं, will I be able to take care of her?
my
Like
ability.
sleepless nights यार फिर से. That was the biggest thing. कि
So it was
because
more
now
self-
I have like Zara also.
हाँ, correct.
तो उसका भी देखना है, plus sleepless nights फिर से.
And I think we need to note something here, and I think you'll agree with me because you have quoted this, that those of you who have 2 children, isn't it pretty similar to when you are having a second child? Whether it's adopted or not. She's saying same thing, no? अभी दूसरा बच्चा कैसे होगा, कैसे करूँगी फिर से रात भर. Not once is she saying anything about adopted, किसका बच्चा, कौन सा. Not once as I think you've not mentioned even once किसका बच्चा.
नहीं वो
These circumstances में, if you've noticed. So yeah, I'm noticing that, so I'm bringing it up.
नहीं, our thing was like यार सोएगा कौन, शिफ्ट कैसे होगी, क्योंकि ज़ारा के टाइम में I've never had help, like नैनी वैनी कभी हमारे पास थी नहीं, तो मुझे लगा इसका भी कर लेंगे. और I didn't realize was कि मैटरनिटी लीव, पैटर्निटी लीव नाम की एक चीज़ होती है इंडिया में, जो कि सिर्फ आपके बायोलॉजिकल चाइल्ड के लिए मिलती है.
So you're saying that when you were you also working that time?
No, I wasn't.
But
So
your
yeah, so
husband.
it was
हाँ,
okay, but my
but
husband was
So when he applied for paternity leave, there was a question asked.
Thankfully, the company he works in, there was no question asked, but they
Okay.
were like, oh, we didn't think of it, but okay, let's figure out, but we
Okay,
have
that's
something.
that's great.
That's great, but
you-
it doesn't happen everywhere.
So you're saying paternity leave के वहाँ लिखा होता है,
Adoption leave बोलते हैं उसको.
adoption leave बोलते हैं, है adoption leave.
Google में तो है.
Indian law doesn't allow for it.
The law doesn't allow it.
Companies भी. HR policies इस तरीके से बनी है.
HR person. We will have a talk after this. We need to yeah.
He's added it. The law doesn't allow it.
And ये सिर्फ इंडिया की प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ये वर्ल्ड वाइड है.
This is a worldwide issue that you're going to adopt.
But your company might
What
not
could
have.
what could be the mentality behind this? What is this?
यार देखो ना,
कि आप-
पैटर्निटी लीव भी बहुत कम मिलती है वर्ल्ड वाइड. पैटर्निटी लीव भी बहुत कम मिलती है, बहुत कम कंपनीज देती
I
हैं.
hope everybody is understanding the in betweens here, है ना? बहुत सारे मतलब paternity तो कितने what is it? How many days paternity?
Now it stays at
It's changing, but
18 days now, back to 2 weeks. 1 month भी हो गया.
Paternity is not the law.
Yeah.
Exactly.
हाँ.
It's not mandatory.
तो फिर हर चीज वैसे नहीं होना चाहिए क्या? तो फिर बच्चा भी मेरा है यार, मेरा बच्चा है, मैं करूँगी मेरे को जो करना है. आप पैसे दो बस. We need to, na? But thankfully I think things are changing.
Yeah.
So, what I'm saying is, I know maybe a joke out of it, but what I'm saying is I think we all need to read between the lines of everything that you're saying. Paternity leave, adoption leave nahi hai, they'll ask you. So there's a lot going on. And I think that must have been a lot of things to work against. Lots.
हाँ,
एक step पे.
Yeah, because Zara के time में I had my mother who was with me and Rahul who was there for like a good 3 months paternity. तो हमें ये नहीं पता था कि इस बार मिलेगी कि नहीं मिलेगी. And thankfully we figured out कि adoption leave in Google is 8 weeks for the father,
Okay.
which is wonderful. Doesn't happen.
That's
everywhere.
great. Yeah. That's great. That means you're a step ahead.
Yeah. So, but it wasn't easy. It so wasn't easy. मतलब पहले तो हमने सोचा कि रानी झांसी हम ही हैं, बिना हेल्प के सब हो जाएगा. तो पहले हफ्ते में पता चल गया because as all was we went in October, right? So it was cold. Came back to Gurgaon, dust, heat. मुझे वायरल हो गया of all the people. तो
Just back up only a little bit. So when you went there, how easy was it? Was it like you went, you picked Zoya and you came?
literally.
Literally, no questions asked.
So again, depends on state to state. Mizoram is one of the nicest states, the most efficient states, and the people are wonderful. I will say that.
Okay.
So we went there, we did our documentation. Of course, the HSR lady from before helped us every step of the way. We even did a video call with her, so she made sure everything was done. You know, you have to give your documents, you have to pay a certain fees. Then they had also arranged a visit to the doctor there. Now this is very important because you don't get medical history of the child when you're adopting in most cases. Before going there, we had gone to our own pediatrician here, who was, I think, the only person who was overjoyed at our decision. Like he was so happy, he gave us a list of things to check, and he also spoke to the doctor in his own,
That's nice.
which was wonderful.
That's
You know, that's a huge
Yeah.
relief as parents. And so we went to the doctor there, he checked everything, they gave us whatever history they had. Thankfully she was a happy, healthy child. And the other big thing we noticed was, and it never hit us before, was when your child is below the age of 2 and you're traveling in a flight, what documentation do you give to the airline for that child?
Usually
If it's
the
domestic,
birth
if it's domestic, it's not even a birth certificate. You
तो
give
आप
nothing.
तो आप ऐसे ही
हाँ.
ऐसे कोई nobody asked, so it could have been any
Nobody asked.
baby.
Yes, we were so scared because it hit us while we were going कि हमें वापस जाने में भी तो कुछ दिखाना पड़ेगा, अभी तो कुछ है नहीं. We asked it and they said कि 2 years से नीचे है ना. So we didn't use the word adoption because आप जैसे ही वो word use करते हो ना बहुत सारे questions आते हैं. We just said that कि when we are coming back we'll have a child with us. They're like seat नहीं लगेगी ना.
That's all that they are concerned. पैसा
हाँ.
पैसा
हाँ.
सीट है तो पैसा दो.
सीट नहीं लगेगी.
आप गोदी में बैठा लोगे ना,
हाँ.
इसका बच्चा हमें क्या फर्क पड़ रहा है?
लिटरली एजॉल एयरपोर्ट पे हम गए, हमने अपने टिकट दिखाए, हाथ कांप रहे थे कि अगर किसी ने पूछ लिया तो क्या डॉक्यूमेंटेशन दिखाएंगे. किसी ने नहीं पूछा. Which is what?
Here's a question, थोड़ा weird लगेगा, but again the whole features.
So I have one more question. What happened? Describe what happened when you saw her.
Start crying, I swear.
Bhavna, I will tell you personally. So there was a reason why we skipped that part, and you got we skipped that part. It's yeah, no, because I think that's a very 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 emotional thing. So which is why we
Deeply personal because it is not something that happens with everyone. I knew it was going to happen. क्योंकि मैं तो पहले ही रो रही थी वहाँ बैठ के. Because it is so emotional. They are bidding the child goodbye and we are taking it. There's so much responsibility on you. Let's not go there.
we moved to the part where you did mention something about some stairs in the aeroplane.
So the flight from Aizol to Delhi, everybody is the local there. हम ही थे जो कि अलग दिख रहे थे. And you know, she was with us and she was awake and generally she's such a happy child, like laughing and gurgling and all that. So we had put her on the seat, and so there were people who were going and looking at us and then looking at the child and then looking at us and then looking at the child. मतलब literally 2-3 बार ऐसा हुआ ना, तो हमने कहा क्या हो गया? And then we realized कि यार अच्छा ये हो गया. तो ये तो वहीं से शुरू हो गया था. Because obviously she has not these features.
And do you think, so here's where I think, so I'm going to talk about myself. Let's say मैं वहाँ पे हूँ, मैं भी शायद देखूँगी यार 2 बार. हाँ, so this needs to be noted here that was it out of curiosity or was it out of judgment?
पता नहीं.
Were you feeling judged or were you feeling like they're just being curious that not matching? It's I'm asking you that. What did you feel?
I don't know. I think I
knowing
I
this-
saw and then I thought कि अच्छा ठीक.
Was it about
I-
irritation?
No, it wasn't even irritation because at the time my own mindset was complete panic कि अभी फ्लाइट चलने वाली है, अभी क्या होगा, क्या वो रोएगी, क्या बोलेगी कि you know,
हाँ, you were into her.
हाँ, into that.
Now, but looking back, is something that okay? It was part of it. Okay, maybe they were curious.
हाँ, I mean,
And this word curious is important because we're going to get to a few things post that.
you can tell who's curious
And who's judgment. Did you feel that you were being judged in the aeroplane by
I
people
chose,
that?
I chose at the time and I still choose not to think about that.
Okay.
That particular incident.
Fair enough. Because it was a very personal thing you were going through anyhow.
हाँ, क्योंकि हमें
Kind
पता
of-
था कि अब आगे क्या होगा.
ठीक है.
Now we know.
ठीक है. अच्छा. We'll get to that. We're going to get to that.
It's a very Indian thing because
It's not an Indian thing.
why I'm saying this is because when you move outside India, you usually have a lot of cross-cultural marriages happening and the kids. So you will see a Gora guy with a.
But let me tell you, even they go through harassment.
Yeah. So
Indians
I think for
could
them
be-
it's still very normal.
It is normal, and as you would see, you would think.
Parents are present, right?
हाँ.
No, it's just India makes more curiosity because it doesn't happen usually. It's not a usual.
Which is we understood and we thought कि ठीक है, इनको नहीं पता, it's okay. But now that I know better, I know कि बाहर जो harassment face होता है ना, वो किसी और level पे. Especially when a white parent has black kids or brown.
That we've
And biological also. मतलब वो level कुछ और है. Indians में ना लिहाज होता है. वो आपको एक लेवल तक बोलेंगे, उससे ऊपर नहीं बोलेंगे. वेस्ट में ऐसा नहीं होता है. They will just say what they want to say and they will be rude. Because now I know a lot of mixed families.
You do?
हाँ.
Okay. Through that group that you
Through
speak
that
about,
group.
and they are telling you.
Yes, they are telling, they are showing us, and it's heartbreaking what they have to do.
I'm sure.
और उनके तो biological kids भी brown हैं, उनको ही नहीं छोड़ते. Forget the adopted ones.
But you know, वही है कि as an adoptive parent, I'm sure that's not a point for you to feel a little more relieved कि हाँ देखो भाग.
नहीं relief
It's
नहीं,
still as
panic.
It's still as bad. Like वो क्यों हो रहा है? It's wrong in every possible
every way.
Whether it's
Every
there,
way.
it's here. So now tell me, you got her back. आप आ गए दिल्ली एयरपोर्ट. उसके बाद का journey, and then I need to know the reactions of people. That is the main thing.
आ गए वापस, गए सीधे ज़ारा को पिक किया. She was over the moon. मतलब, and that's where you see the difference between how a child sees a child and how an adult sees a child. She didn't care कि वो कैसी दिख रही है.
Yeah.
All she knew was कि ये मेरी है. कि बस अब ये हो गया. This is mine, all mine. And she would get so protective. Like I tried hiring 24-hour help or 12-hour help. वो छूने नहीं देती थी उसको. कि this is mine. How do you?
I relate with that. That's how I reacted with my brother. Exact same. He's mine. He's mine. So that means, again, something to note here. These are the little silences that we are going to talk about. That the child is not looking at another child as adopted, किसी और का बच्चा. All that is not happening. Nobody cares. Nobody cares. So that is Zara's reaction. Your parents and your in-laws.
My parents were shell shocked. First of all, again, कि infant कैसे करेंगे? तो and then of course she was a different child from Zara. Zara was very quiet.
You mean nature-wise?
हाँ, nature. This one wanted to explore everything. Even at 3 months, she was turning and she would eat anything. Newspaper. Like she would eat newspaper. बड़े मुश्किल से उसको ना एकदम ऐसे रखना पड़ता था. तो वो पैनिक अलग था. तो वो अलग थी. तो पेरेंट्स को काफ़ी टाइम लगा समझने में कि इसको इस तरीके से हैंडल करना. बट हाँ, एक झिझक ज़रूर थी.
किस चीज़ की झिझक थी?
यही क्या अडॉप्ट कर लिया, क्या होगा आगे. एक ये चीज़ आती है ओल्डर जनरेशन के दिमाग में कि अगर उसके पेरेंट्स आ गए कभी मांगने तो, क्योंकि उन्होंने देखा है ऐसा होता है. पहले लीगल तो कुछ होता नहीं था. आ जाते थे पेरेंट्स, तब क्या करोगे?
And what is the deal with you on that topic? क्या होता है?
It's legal है ना, हमने साइन किया है ना पेपर.
हाँ, and do you know, are you told who the parents are? Is
In
that
some
something?
cases you are told, in some cases you are not told, but the biological parents have to sign a paper saying that they do not want to be found or they want to be found after the child is 18 years of age. So 18 years तक तो आपको कुछ नहीं biological parents के बारे में पता होता. अब बच्चे को भी नहीं आप बता सकते, आपको पता ही नहीं है. 18 के बाद if the parents want to be found, then the child has the option of going back, finding out.
Is that something you thought of?
Yes?
Does that bother you?
No?
No. And I mean, it's a very sensitive topic, but growing up, Zoya is not 3, 4. So do you sometimes wonder that she'll ask you?
Well,
Does she know? Does she know?
she's too young to understand the concept.
Okay.
We've always talked about it.
Matlab, the words are being used.
The words are being used, stories are being told that someone is a tummy baby, someone is a heart baby, stuff like that. These
And-
are the words that we use at home.
And here I will now interject. We are sitting here and this is going to be recorded. And there are more things that I will ask you to tell, but at this exact moment where you are saying that the child ko hum heart, we are saying heart baby, what are the other words? I'm sorry.
Tummy baby.
Tummy baby. What would you like? Let's say I come to your house and I don't know anything about adoption and I did not, you being my friend, I asked you, but maybe everybody doesn't show that kind of sensitivity. What would you like people at large to be aware of when they come into a family knowing fully well that there's an adopted child? What words to use? What are the words that you as a parent will not be okay with? Or what are the sentences to stay away from? Anything, or do you feel nahi it's cool yaar, kuch bhi aake bol do?
नहीं, बात ही मत करो ना adoption की. क्या बात करनी है adoption की? Both are my kids. Treat them like my kids. बस.
Have you had an instance where somebody's come and said something? घर पे. बाहर वाले तो हम करेंगे अभी discuss. घर पे आके.
नहीं. I would throw them out.
You would?
I would.
Okay. Alright. And moving to that, so when you got her, बाहर का I need to know a few reactions of people.
So
This is what we are here for.
again, it just shows the upbringing. And I say upbringing because my upbringing was a certain way. Right. So she had just come, Zara had started school, I had gone on a school run with her. And of course, I used to do school runs every day and people knew me and they saw me कि बच्चा कुछ है नहीं. एकदम से बच्चा आ गया, वो भी इतना छोटा था, they were like ये क्या है? So I explained कैसे ऐसे हमने adopt किया है वो. 99.9% people totally supportive, happy, they wanted to see her. Like I said, she's a happy child. Even if you meet her today, you will be happy. So there was one lady who said that I have just turned 40. I also want a second child. So I wanted to look into adoption because मेरे पास कोई वो नहीं है वो. So I told her, I gave her my number and we were discussing. कि I will talk to you. And suddenly the gates opened, the children were coming in. So I turned this way and I am within earshot. Another woman comes and says, ये सब बकवास है, ये सब करने की जरूरत नहीं है. I know a doctor who can do IVF for you.
This.
I thought, man.
This. Here, take it. This is where, what is this? Why? एक तो 2-3 things here, yeah, 2-3 ridiculous things, okay? A, the know-it-all attitude. मैं बताऊंगी तेरे को. मैं बताऊंगी. That's number one because obviously आप खुद, you are also suffering with something where you want to feel a little superior, so you're going to tell somebody else, I know what's best for you. That's number one. Number two, चलो वो अपने में रखो. करते हैं, सब करते हैं. Number two, the woman is in earshot. Like, aren't you sensitive enough that you are saying ये सब बकवास? How do you say बकवास word for something like this? So let's note this down. बकवास क्या word है यार ये? Sorry, I get very very angry. Okay, ये सब बकवास है. There is a human being there with a child. ये सब बकवास है. I'll tell you IVF. Now also something. This is where I got educated by her. IVF में क्या क्या होता है, टेस्ट ट्यूब बेबी में क्या क्या होता है, what all घपला this country is going through, what all happens there, how it's a money making thing. She's going to tell that. But this is that point, the first point where we need to be sensitive about how we speak when we are in front of anybody that we feel is not like us. Bas, forget normal, ye wo normal, who are we to decide normal? I am the most abnormal human on the planet. So that's, I think, number one. Do you agree with me?
Yeah. The second emotion that I got was sympathy.
Sympathy.
Okay. तुम्हारा दूसरा नहीं हो पाया. That's why you had to adopt.
That's
They were also surrogacy tried.
अच्छा
अपना ही होता है.
ये भी बोला है किसी ने?
नहीं यहाँ तक बोलते तो मैं पता नहीं क्या करती. हाँ होता. Like I said ना मैं काफी.
Even if you bring up the point, I mean, there was a time when I wanted to, but it just happened. Second just happened. So there was no room to. I always wanted both. I have two boys. So we just like it comes naturally to you. One suddenly you feel that I want to adopt. You don't know when is that age or that age. Okay. So you are so naive that you are not able to decide because you don't think in that manner. So you don't decide whom you have to share this with, and the other person will judge you or not.
Yes.
So it randomly came out, and whosoever that person was, he said, "Are you mad? अपना तो नहीं होता."
We were coming to that point. अपना लिखा हुआ है यार यहाँ पे. अपना.
What is that?
यार ये लड़की.
Will you love that child enough?
Exactly. I
I said,
hate
who
that
dec-
question.
Who decides that? I mean,
अच्छा,
you don't decide that for
in
me.
your case they're asking you. In my case, I get queries from people online कि हम adopt तो करना चाहते हैं, क्या हम उसको प्यार कर पाएंगे? अगर तुम ये question अपने आप से पूछ रहे हो, तो मत करो.
Some people, listen, some people, I feel also, they want to do good. It's also a social cause, right? So some people, it is. So some people want to get onto that wagon.
So
we want to
exactly.
do a good thing,
But-
they're not sure. And they're not sure whether they're going to face this, they would be able to face this, they're not sure in themselves.
But again, aren't we judging them for thinking like that?
Yes.
It's a very personal thing. I
That
think.
is why,
Yeah.
which is why we need to bring them. I told you in the beginning that why do you think like this? What is the fear? Is it a fear of judgment that I'm thinking? Lakshika, very important you said this because when she told me this, so she's like most लोगों का होता है पहला first biological, next is IVF, next is surrogacy, and next is test tube.
वो
IVF test tube, surrogacy,
last
adoption.
resort would be.
सोचेंगे या नहीं सोचेंगे? Do you know I'm sitting here? Let's say when you're saying all this and I was asking myself these questions that अगर मुझे चाहिए होता, can you believe मेरे दिमाग में भी first was, yeah, maybe I would have tried for IVF. She educated me. She's like, why? And now please tell the reason why. That's what needs to go out.
I think it's the environment which makes a lot of difference. You know, no matter how certain you are as an individual, but the people around they intimidate you so big time that it becomes very difficult for you to take a decision.
Which is why we are here. Which is exactly why we are here. A group of people sitting here. What do we need to tell each other right now? At least this group of people. ये बोलना बंद करो. अगर मेरे को अडॉप्ट करना है ये सब सेंटेंसेस मत बोलो मेरे सामने. What and first, just quickly before that, were there any other incidents? And then what's your message, Shruti, that you would like people to understand?
So, taking from that, the fear that we had, that we didn't tell anyone, was just that they will not be supportive. और they का क्या मतलब होता है? Family. Friends को हमें पता है कि supportive होते ही. तो हमारे in-laws were so supportive, and they are from the older generation, even older than my parents, but they were so supportive from day one. And typical Punjabi family. They didn't have any issues, and I thought क्या इन्हें तो issue है नहीं, and the kind of people who are coming to me and telling me stuff like that sympathy वाला thing, which I thought was so stupid. So this was somebody in our social circle, and I wouldn't have thought in a million years कि ये ऐसे बात कर देगी, पर उसने कर दी. And I'm telling you वो दिन था और आज का दिन है, मैंने उसको काट दिया अपनी लाइफ से. I don't need such people in my life. I will judge them and I will cut them out of my life because I don't want my child to hear this from someone in her safe circle. मैं उस शख्स को अपने घर पे लेके आऊँ और वो ऐसी बात मेरे बच्चे के सामने बोल दे. I don't need this at all. मैं अपना बबल बनाऊंगी जोया के लिए, और वो बबल चाहिए, वो चाहिए, बिल्कुल चाहिए, वो बबल बड़ा
I
करना.
want to ask, do you think induction and sensitization with the family around will help at that point in time?
Absolutely. तो जब HSR होता है ना, हमें उस टाइम सोचना चाहिए था, हमने सोचा नहीं because we were more scared. उस टाइम extended families को लाना चाहिए, जो कि आज हो रहा है. काफी केसेस में I've seen कि HSR में वो बोलते हैं grandparents को लेके, हम बात करेंगे.
Can prepare them for a journey.
Yes.
What is the full form?
Home study report. So उस टाइम अब होने लगा है, which is great होना चाहिए. But at the end of the day, depends on case to case. If you are so scared of other people's opinions and judgments and dependent on their help, then you can't. Let me tell you, you can't. आप अपनी लाइफ भी बर्बाद कर रहे हो और अपने बच्चे की भी कर रहे हो.
अच्छा, family की
joint
बात
family में
करें.
रह
हाँ.
रहे हो यार और वो accept ही नहीं करने वाले, तो there is no point in getting a child to that toxic environment.
So let's say.
I have a point here. I feel that now, I mean, I have cases where there are adoptions in my family also. Pehli, the acceptance was more, and the, you know, like you want a bubble, it is automatically was created. Nobody went up to the child and said, "Yo, you are adopted."
Aren't you bit also talking about within the family वाला ना, मेरा बच्चा तेरा
The
बच्चा.
family,
Because the joint family setup was so strong.
So strong ना. अभी तो
the family only. I mean, nobody in the family do the person would let that secret out till the mother. Because it's not a story to tell, right? It's the child or the mother who's going to, or the family who's going to say that. So nobody did that. But now, like you said, that you know they would come and say stuff like that. So I think now it's become, since so much of information is available.
that's become.
Earlier, all these options of IVF and all this was not there.
नहीं.
Right? So they were very content कि
हाँ, कि यही है.
मतलब
बच्चा तो आ गया ना, हाँ.
बच्चे हमारी फैमिली तो कंप्लीट होगी ना, बच्चा तो आ गया.
बट उस केस में वो छुपाते नहीं थे बच्चे से, वो बच्चे को भी नहीं बताते
हाँ.
थे, जो कि
वो
child
दोनों
को
होगा
नहीं.
ना.
हाँ.
Both the things will happen together. ये नहीं होगा तो ये होगा, वो
हाँ.
होगा तो ये नहीं होगा. So you just mentioned about somebody mentioned, I think that lady just left about reduction. Let's say you said toxicity. You used the word toxicity. You are where you are, Shruti. Let's say there are more women who want to adopt, or not women, I'm sorry, parents who want to adopt, and I'm sure, I hope that this video reaches people, not the adoptive, the potential adoptive parents, but their extended families. What would you like to tell them? What is the message that you want to say to them? क्या बोलोगे? And to us as individuals, to the society in general, if somebody wants to adopt, how do we need to get a little more sensitive about this?
First of all, a child is just a child. Give them a chance. Right? किसी का भी बच्चा है कहीं से, how does it matter? Unfortunately, in some cases मैं देख रही हूँ कि हम लोग ना backward जा रहे हैं. अभी मैंने उसका स्कूल का फॉर्म भरा है. स्कूल के फॉर्म में लिखा था चाइल्ड का रिलीजन क्या है. मतलब चाइल्ड का क्या रिलीजन होता? तो मैंने तो इन्हें भर दिया, मुझे गुस्सा बहुत आया कि हम ये सब क्यों पूछ रहे हैं, कोई भी रिलीजन होगा तुम क्या उसको डिफरेंटली ट्रीट करोगे, तो ये सब बातें मुझे समझ में नहीं आती. 2 incidents that I'll speak about here in school and how people perceive. तो पहले हमने उसको कुछ दिनों के लिए एक प्ले स्कूल में डाला. वो जैसी दिखती है वैसे दिखती है, जैसे मैं दिखती हूँ वैसे मैं दिखती हूँ. तो मुझे वहाँ पे 1 महीना वो थी वहाँ, मुझे किसी ने नहीं पूछा कि ये तुम्हारी तरह नहीं दिख रही.
The play school.
The play school authorities, teachers, nobody. There was one teacher who asked me कि तुमने क्या खाया था when you were pregnant with her? She doesn't sit. क्या बोलूँ? तो I thought कि वो क्या बताऊँ मैं क्या बताऊँ? I thought मतलब ये ऐसी है. So I didn't say anything and they didn't ask me anything anymore. उसके बाद कोविड हो गया. 2 साल वो घर पे थी. घर पे इन द सेंस कि अगर जैसे नीचे जा रही है, you know, पार्क में ये वो, वहाँ पे हमने काफी कुछ सुना. तुम्हारे घर में चाइनीज कौन है?
Seriously, who said this? There was an
Some
adult.
old woman in the park asked my nanny कि तुम्हारे घर में चाइनीज कौन है?
So like just next level
किस
assumptions.
लेवल पे समझाऊं तुम्हें जाके, मैंने थॉट के उधर मत लेके जाएगा क्योंकि एक एज के बाद ना आप समझा भी नहीं सकते.
Yeah.
तो क्या करें, ठीक है.
Otherwise also after COVID nobody will say कि Chinese हमारे घर में है, Chinese की वजह से.
मतलब ये 3-4 लेवल के बात हो गई ना. फिर किसी और ने आके फिर पूछा मम्मी चाइनीज है कि पापा चाइनीज है.
किसको पूछा है?
ये सब मेरी नैनी को पूछते हैं.
ये नानी and बच्चों and what does नानी say? Have you
She said कि भैया कोई नहीं है. तो किस पे गई है ये? तुम्हारे से मतलब है ना. इतना क्यों घुसना होता है हिंदुस्तानियों को हर चीज में.
So that is something we need to also, I think I'm learning and we need to tell, mind your own business.
हाँ, किस पे गई है क्या होता है. I'll tell you another incident कि किस पे गई है वाली बात इतनी stupid है. Much before Zoya came, Zara looks like my husband. ठीक है. तो कोई भी बर्थडे पार्टी होती थी मैं ही उसको लेके जाया करती थी. 3-4 बर्थडे पार्टीज हो गई ऐसे. There was one lady जो बार उसको देखती थी मुझे देखती थी. उस टाइम तो कुछ ठीक नहीं करता. 5th birthday party my husband also came and हम साथ आए. She looked at us and she said, "Oh." ऐसे लोग हैं यार.
वो that means you have to understand. आपसे जब second time मिली और the first time, उसके बीच का जो timeline है,
उसमें
उसकी
कैसे
जिंदगी उसी में गई. वैसे है, ठीक है. That's okay. That's people. But
So that is one of the messages कि यार please mind your own business. अपने घर में देखो क्या हो रहा है. वैसे भी आफ्टर कोविड आई थिंक वी ऑल लर्न कि हमारे पास टाइम बहुत कम है. प्लीज यूज इट जुडिशियसली. बेटर योर ओन सेल्स. लीव अ पुअर चाइल्ड अलोन. वो क्या है, कहाँ से आया है, किसका है, नथिंग शुड मैटर टू यू. उनके पेरेंट्स हैं उसके बारे में सोचने के लिए. तो अपना काम करो प्लीज.
don't be all agree. We do. Anything else that anybody wants to ask? We're coming to the close of the session. Anything, any inputs, anything you want to ask? And Shruti, thank you.
I have one question.
Yes.
And just when I asked you to be a bit in the Northeast, lovely people, it's like, feels like home. You know, and for me, as somebody who's in Delhi, I find into every teenager or adolescent, there's so much, let's literally, polite word is treat me and calling or heckling. Do you worry about that for your child? Because you can protect him now. It's just, when I see it, worries me. So does that worry you?
Worries me a lot. So when I put her in the big school last month, I went there, guns blazing, and I told the principal कि ये adopted. अगर इसको किसी ने भी कुछ कहा, that person will answer to me and you will answer me. So you better beware. तो वो काफी डर गई. तो उसने बोला नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता यहाँ पे. बोला नहीं मैं आपको सिर्फ बता रही हूँ कि ऐसा होगा और ये बच्चे से नहीं आएगा, ये बच्चे के पेरेंट्स हैं. और अगर आया तो फिर तुम देख लेना कि मैं क्या. Because you have to become like that.
All of us, we need to. And इसमें it's not about guts, it's natural. We just, and when she told me this, I was like,
Yeah.
so did I. So a lot of you know, a lot of you don't. Arav is from my previous marriage. And that very interesting incident had happened with us also, where Adi and Arav were together, and somebody said, "Sir, ये बिल्कुल आप नहीं है." It was like nice, good, but exactly that. So I was like, his father is going to come and visit also to the school, and every year I tell the teachers, दो उसका नाम किसी और का है, ये बच्चा किसी और का है, हम रह कहीं और हैं, ये चक्रवर्ती, वो शर्मा, मैं खुश. don't make ऐसा है यार, हमारी फैमिली में ऐसे क्या करें, half the time people are asking, ये whenever we go on a holiday they are like what is going on, किसका बच्चा है, आप दोनों कौन, और it's every time we are like छोड़ दो, किसी का बच्चा चुरा के लेके आए, हम दोनों घर से भागे, still today I living in, so, what are your names, what is the Chakravarti, Kush Sharma, anyways, so that is one, but I do tell teachers and I will continue to till he's in 12th standard, that if anybody says anything, abhi of course see, this is different, I'm coming from a different this thing, mine is the divorce and ye wo, but point is, so what, but people need to be told that I don't want any smart comments coming anywhere for my child, same bubble. My point is, let's let our bubbles meet. Why live in our own bubbles? Bubbles को expand करके बड़ा bubble बना लेते हैं यार, सब everybody is there, that's all. Your bubble can touch mine and bubble जब touch करते हैं इसे बड़ा नहीं बन जाता है, छोटू सब बड़ा बन जाता है. Let's make big bubbles यार. Don't you think so? Thank you guys, thank you so much. Thank you.